Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have the August KnitCrate unboxing today and we're halfway through October. I know it's been taking it forever to get here, but we're still 1 month behind with the KnitCrate. It's alright, as long as it arrives and I can share it with you and share what I make with the yarn, then I think we're okay. So yeah, this is August and we have beautiful yarn today to look at. It's the Odin wools, and if you've been watching my KnitCrate unboxing, you know Odin are very soft, and usually they're a combination of merino and alpaca. So we have two of them. They've done a collaboration with Maya Luna Corazon. We will have a look at the booklet where we can see more about that. This is Odin Wool's Sleek, and I think it's the sleek one because it's got silk in it. 55% fine merino wool, 30% alpaca, and 50% mulberry silk. We get 220 yards per 100 grams, so it's a, I would say, DK weight yarn, maybe Aran. So we get 440 yards in 2 skeins. The membership KnitCrate that we have here retails for $24.99. You pay that amount of money every month, and you get beautiful yarn that costs most months double than that, and nice patterns. We do have an extra in this month's in August KnitCrate, and it's a little star progress keeper by Pink Macaroons, and you can find them on Etsy as Pink Macaroons. I will pop their website down below as well as KnitCrate website. If you would like to get 20% off your first order with KnitCrate, then use code TEO20 following the link in the description down below. Now we've seen the beautiful yarn is so soft, and I love the color. It's green is my favorite color. We're going to have a look at the patterns. So here we have the theme. It's called Paradiso, and membership KnitCrate had 3 colorways. We have this one, and there were two other colorways like this baby blue and an orange. And they also do a sock KnitCrate which retails for $19.99, and they had these beautiful variegated skeins which are lovely. Let's have a look at the patterns. So here we have Maya Luna Corazon, the collaboration they've done with her. Hi, I'm Maya and I'm the founder of Maya Luna Corazon brand. I design modern crochet clothing to support women to see their true beauty. So she's a crochet designer. I don't do much crochet, so that's why I don't know much about her. But I'm sure that if you go on their website or on her website, you can read a lot about it. So if you enjoy crocheting, then you might like to have a look at her website. And here we have the yarns. The membership yarns, Unwind is the one we have here. Then Bliss is the orange, and Utopia is the light aqua blue. And then these are the sock crates, and they're 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon. We have All Natural, which is this one, Pep, which is the bright one, and Terrace, which is this green and blue one. They're beautiful. And here we have the patterns. So from the membership we have this as a crochet pattern, and it's they're like hand warmers, I think, and also a scarf and some mittens, like fingerless mittens, cheerful and scarf mitts. So you could knit this with the yarn that you get in August KnitCrate. And these are the sock crates. So in the membership KnitCrate and in the sock crate you get patterns for knitting and crochet. So if you're even though it's called the KnitCrate, they have patterns for crochet as well. So here's another picture of the beautiful scarf. It's a cable scarf. It's lovely. Let's see if we have any more pictures that we can look at. Yeah, here are the hand warmers, crochet ones in this beautiful light blue aqua color. They're lovely. And what else can we find? We have the socks. These are the knitted socks. So as you can see, the yarn was quite bright, self-striping yarn. This is what it looks like. And let's see the crochet version, if they have a picture of it. Yeah, here's a picture of the crochet version. Beautiful. I've never done crocheted socks, but yeah, that is the KnitCrate for August, and I'm sorry it's late. This is the sneak peek for October, which makes me think, where was September? So maybe this is September. They probably got it wrong here, so it might have been September. But this is the theme for next month, for this month actually, and I'm excited. I did see a little bit of a sneak peek of what the yarn looks like, so I'm excited about it because I've had a similar yarn from them before and I created a licorice shawl with it. So I will pop the link of the licorice shawl that I designed with that yarn in the description if you're interested in it. But as you can see, a lot of neutrals and chocolatey tones for October 2020, which is very exciting. But yeah, don't forget to check the description down below for all the links to go to KnitCrate to get your discount code, also for the pink macaroons, progress keepers, and yeah, I will also link the playlist of all the other KnitCrates that I've done before. If you're interested to see what I knit with the yarn, follow me on Instagram or on Facebook at TeoMakes, and that's where I share what I work on and what I use the yarn for. Most times I design something with it, or I knit the patterns that come with the KnitCrate. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.